How to create animated grid text in DaVinci Resolve 19.1.4. Inside your Projects Edit window, go to Effects. Underneath Toolbox, select Effects. Click and drag a Fusion Composition clip to your timeline. Right-click on the Fusion Composition clip and go to Open in Fusion Page. In order to ensure that the grid appears, go to Add a Background node. With this tool selected, keep the colour set to black under Inspector. Holding Shift and press Space. Using the search box at the bottom of the Select Tool window, go to Find a Grid tool. Select this and go to click on Add. Select either the left or right view underneath Grid to see a preview of the grid above your Fusion timeline. With Grid 1 selected, go to Inspector and underneath Controls, increase row cells to 36 and increase column cells to 60. To remove the lines with the bigger weight, so that all row and column lines are equal in terms of thickness, decrease major line spacing to 0. Change horizontal and vertical line widths to 0.2 to have the 2D matrix stand out more. With Grid 1 still selected, go to Add a Merge tool. Deselect Merge 1, hold and Shift and press Space, and go to Add a Fast Noise node. Hold and drag your mouse cursor to the green arrow alongside Merge 1, which represents the foreground, so that we can apply an animated gradient effect to your grid. Before the colours are selected, select Merge 1 and change Apply mode from Normal to Geometric. Select Fast Noise 1 and ensure that either left or right view underneath Merge 1 is selected, so that you can see the colour effect applying to your grid. Under Inspector for Fast Noise, under Colour with Type set to 2 Colour, double click on the black box next to Colour 1 and choose the first colour that you wish to apply to your Fast Noise effect. Here in this example I will use the hexadecimal code #FF0004 for a vibrant red colour. Click OK. Then double click on the box next to Colour 2 and choose your second shade. Here in this example I will select the vibrant blue basic colour preset with the hexadecimal code #0000FF. Click OK. To ensure that the noise is animated, click on Noise and increment the value for seeth rate. Here in this example I will increase this from 0 to 0.2. Select Merge 1, go to Add a second Merge tool. Merge 1 and 2 should be automatically connected via the yellow background arrow. Deselect Merge 2 and go to Add a Text Plus node. Connect Text 1 to the green foreground arrow of Merge 2, so that your message will stand out in front of the grid. Select left or right view for Merge 2 and with Text 1 selected, go to Inspector and underneath Text, type in the message that you wish to have appear on your animation effect. Keep the colour set to white and adjust the font style and size as you wish. Here in this example I will increment size to 0.5. To apply the scrolling animation effect, select Transform. Ensure that the first frame in your video clip is selected, as you can tell with the red line on the far left of your timeline, and the frame number set to 0. To have the text roll in from the right, increment Offset X to 1.0. Select the keyframe diamond icon which appears alongside Y. Drag your red playhead pointer to the final frame on your video clip, here in this example 119, and decrease Offset X to -1. Drag your red playhead to the middle of your Fusion timeline to see a preview of your text once again. In order to create the gap in your grid using the shape of the text, select Merge 2. Under Merge in Inspector, change Apply mode from Normal to Screen and change Operator from Over to Stencil. To add a glow effect to your grid with Merge 2 selected, hold and Shift and press Space and go to Add a Soft Glow tool. With Soft Glow highlighted and with left or right view selected underneath, go to Inspector and underneath Controls, to enhance the vibrancy of your grid glow, increase the value for gain. Here I will increment this from 2.0 to 2.8. And to reduce the spread of the glow in between the grid lines, so that they don't appear too faint, I will reduce the glow size to 5.5. Connect Soft Glow 1 to Media Out 1. At present, the text scrolls across from the right to the left one time in a 5-second clip. In order to have this animation effect repeat as your video clip plays for longer durations, select Spline, tick Text 1, Drag the top middle grey cursors to the left to see the keyframe markers appear on your grid, representing the horizontal positioning of your text. Click and drag over these to highlight both of them. Then click on Set Loop underneath the chart. Return to your Edit window. Using the Selection Mode tool, which you can also do by pressing A, click and drag at the end of your Fusion composition clip to manually change the duration of your video clip, keeping an eye on the change in duration at the top and the total duration of the Fusion composition clip at the bottom of the dark box which appears next to your mouse cursor. Here in this example, I will increase the duration of the Fusion composition clip to 10 seconds, so that the text scrolls from right to left twice. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.